Now welcome to your beautiful home. MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new and well-constructed 5-bedroom smart home for sale located near Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. So here are views of its striking and modern architectural design, and join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a safe and well-planned community here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. Now, before we begin, let's take a look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a generous floor area of 370 square meters and a spacious lot area of 300 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, parking for 3 cars, 2 balconies, a lanai area, a landscape garden, a main kitchen and an auxiliary kitchen, a spacious second floor family area, an intercom system, it's fiber LAN and CCTV ready, and it also comes with a maid's room. And all this in an accessible and secure community that's just 10 to 15 minutes away from major thoroughfares in Quezon City. Now let's begin the tour. This house has a gorgeous blend of glass and wood, giving you a striking architectural design. Upon viewing the house, you'll see that you have parking space for 2 cars on the left side and a single parking space here on the right side. Now let's go. Upon entering the house, you have your car park here for 2 cars. And a pathway leading to your 3rd car park on your right. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This house welcomes you with a high ceiling upon entering the home, which gives you great ventilation, going to the 2nd floor, and leads to a beautifully spaced living room. The living space exudes a sophisticated, elegant, and inviting ambiance. Your living area is spacious such that you can have a large living room set over here. It has a beautiful lighting fixture and already comes with a split type air conditioning unit. You already have a provision here for your LAN because this entire house is a smart home, so it's already fiber ready, LAN ready, it's even Alexa ready. So you also have a sliding door here which increases the space of your living area, leading out to a lanai space. So you see that you have access here leading to the garden to the back of the house, and you also have steps here leading to your parking area. Let's head back in. Let's now take a quick look at the 1st bedroom. One of the hallmarks of this property are these oversized windows and these overhead windows, which add a lot of ventilation as well as natural light to the room. The room also already comes with a provision for a split type air conditioning unit here and comes with its own bathroom. After coming from the first bedroom, which can also serve as a home office or as a guest room, I'd like you to notice the placement of the different LED lights throughout the property. This home looks beautiful at night because of the color temperature of the lights. It gives it a very warm and welcoming atmosphere. And from here, walk with me as we take a look here at your powder room. From your living area, let's now take a look at your main dining and kitchen space. The highlight of your dining area is this beautiful lighting fixture and a spacious area wherein you can place a 6 or 8-seater table. It also comes with 2 almost floor-to-ceiling windows which lead out through sliding doors to a garden space and a lanai area. Let's take a look. Your garden space is a comforting and nurturing area in your home. You have these beautiful bamboo trees which give you a lot of shade. Instead of having the normal bamboo fence over here, what we have is a unique aluminum design which actually will last much longer than bamboo and also looks very minimalist. From here, you can use this space as a nice barbecue area, and this space also extends your entertainment and dining space by having a couple of tables and chairs over here. You can make this a great party area or an al fresco dining space. You also have access here through this side landscaped area leading to your living room, lanai space, and all the way down to your parking area. From here, you see that you can enter your dining space from this sliding door. And looking over here, you have access leading to your auxiliary kitchen. What you see over here is a protective container for your water heater, because this home is unique such that it has centralized hot and cold water in terms of its water system, which is actually very rare for homes nowadays. So let's head back in. Your kitchen space is a modern and minimalist hub here in your home. You have this beautiful gray granite countertop. You have a great space here for a large refrigerator. You can easily have a cutout space here for a large stove or a cooktop over here. And you even have a transparent pantry area here. From this space, you can easily have a couple of stools over here to make this an informal dining area. And now let's take a look over here at your well-designed auxiliary space. Your auxiliary space is well lit, well ventilated. You have this additional security gate over here leading to your parking space for 2 cars. You have your maid's room, maid's bathroom, and a well-designed service kitchen. Now let's head back in. One of the focal points of this home coming from the living, dining, and main kitchen space is this beautifully designed staircase with tempered glass and beautiful wooden railings. You also have a protective covering for the wooden planks leading up to the second floor, but of course that will be removed once you purchase the home. Now let's head on up to the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home, where you're welcomed by a spacious family hallway. This space is excellent for having an additional living area for your family. So even if you have guests downstairs, you can easily have a large living room set over here. And it has 3 vantage points. You have this glass railing overlooking your beautiful staircase. You have this sliding door letting in so much natural light, leading out to a spacious balcony. From this vantage point, you can really see how well lit the second floor family hallway is, with one half of the room completely covered by floor-to-ceiling windows. You already have an intercom system as well. You also have a provision already for CCTV cameras throughout the property. And you already have a split-type air conditioning unit for this level. And now let's head on in to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is facing the east side of the property, and it has this beautiful floor-to-ceiling window with a large sliding door leading to a wraparound balcony leading all the way to the other side of the room, where you also have an additional sliding door. Let's take a quick look. As mentioned before, the property already has CCTV wiring in place. That's why you have this over here. You just need to have your monitor installed. And from here, you see that you have a provision here for what type of main lighting you'd like for your master bedroom. It already comes with a split-type air conditioning unit here. And you have more than enough space for a large king or queen-sized bed over here. And you can just imagine waking up to a beautiful view from your large floor-to-ceiling window. And from here, let's take a quick look at your walk-in closet and master bathroom. Just to recap, we've now taken a look at the first floor bedroom and then the master bedroom. And now let's take a look at the third, fourth, and fifth bedrooms. Let's go. Here's the third bedroom. Let's now take time to appreciate the oversized windows once again of this property. So even if you turn off the lights, this room will be just as bright in the daytime, saving you a lot of electricity. You also have PVC type windows for the entire property, which are very durable, with screens as well. And it also has a unique wood grain design. And from here, you have custom cabinetry across one side of the room, with a desk and dresser space and an area here for your television set. You also have a well-built closet space, and you already have a provision here for a split-type air conditioning unit and more than enough space here for a bed. And let's take a look here at your bathroom. It's time to take a look at the fourth bedroom. In case you haven't already noticed, the fourth and third bedrooms are mirror images of one another. They have almost the same size, with one side also having this beautiful custom cabinetry with a large oversized window, and they have a shared bathroom over here. And now, let's head on out and take a look at the fifth bedroom. Let's go! The fifth bedroom gives the property its striking architectural design because it faces the front of the home and completely covers one side of the room with these large glass windows. If privacy is a concern, it's very easy to install floor-to-ceiling curtains all along here if you'd like. And from here, you have a split-type air conditioning unit provision and your own bathroom. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property, check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. To know more about this property or schedule a property viewing, don't forget to contact us through our email and number in the description below. If you want to know more about our future videos, don't forget to click that like button and that subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this brand new 5-bedroom modern smart home for sale located near Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.